Term project. Term project. Class diagram. I have 4 classes: person, parent, child, and eGuard, and I will explain 3 of them. First class is person class. It sets the default constraint for a person, can set the name, can set the username and password, and create an account with all personal information, including the email. Parent class has all access rights, can change eGuard settings, can block words and websites, create whitelist and blacklist, and nothing is blocked on this user. It has all the rights. Child class can access websites that aren't blocked or blocked words, and change permissions and settings cannot be accessed since it is not the parent class. It is only able to do what the parent has set. The eGuard class, when accessed, the parent class can set up all the settings and restrictions for the child class. Auto updates information for all databases, filters all data upon request of parent class. Sequence diagram is a construct message sequence chart. The sequence diagram shows object interactions arranged in time sequence, and it depicts the objects and classes involved in the scenario and sequence of messages exchanged between the objects needed to carry out the functionality of the scenario. The user accesses the internet. In this diagram, the user is accessing the internet, and it first verifies to see if it is a parent or a child. Based on the response, the eGuard either grants full access or restricted access. The user is a parent, so all access is granted, and eGuard allows the parent to modify all settings and view all pages. Sequence 2. Child wants to access the internet. The account is restricted. eGuard uses the database to update all blocked websites and words, as well as the whitelist blacklist, and the child is then granted access to the unblocked websites. State diagram. Specifically, a state diagram describes the behavior of a single object in response to a series of events in a system. The UML diagram models a dynamic flow of control from state to state of a particular object within the system. So, first we have the parent class. The parent class is an admin. The eGuard asks for login info to verify. The eGuard grants permissions to the parent, and the parent is now free to use the internet. Child class. Software checks the user type. The user is a child, so obtains its permission restriction level, sends info through eGuard, which creates a restricted environment. Child is now on the web in a restricted environment. eGuard. The eGuard checks the user type on the PC and grants the correct restriction level to the user, so then they can start using the internet. That is all of my diagram.